Hey everybody, we're out here doing pond repair and just heard what sounded like a close-range gunshot. There it is. Holy fucking shit, what is going on up there? My heart is pounding right now. What the fuck? I'm down here with the dog and it sounds like somebody is shooting up there in the road. What the fuck? That was so loud. To be clear, it is the end of April and not hunting season. What the fucking hell? I don't know if I should keep working or go see what's going on and maybe arm myself. This is why I don't like being back here without a sidearm or something. This is ridiculous. This is supposed to be the north. I thought rednecks were in the south when I was growing up. I guess I was naive. What the fuck is wrong with these people? Somebody's shooting off fucking guns up there. And I'm down here moving dirt. And I don't know what direction they're shooting in or why, so that's fun. I'm wearing bright fucking orange, but you think they care? They could be shooting at my fence for all I know. What the fuck? So, yikes. This is scary. We can see how high the berm is right now, and I need to do another foot before I can go eat breakfast. I'm guessing it's about 9 in the morning. I don't know why we need gunshots going off at 9 in the morning over here. I really don't. These are the blueberries that got put in last night. Hope I'm not gunned down on my own property while filming these. I got a bunch of Blu-ray and Blue Crop here, 3 of each. This is sort of a hugelkultur swale, if you can call it that. I planted them in between some rotting logs here and a brush pile. I'm leaving Puppy tied up over near the truck for safety purposes. Just gonna take a look at this. That berm needs to go up another 4 inches over there. But it's holding. What the fuck is going on up here? Seriously, what the fuck? Goddamn redneck yahoos. It's too early in the morning for gunshots. I was hoping to plant some stuff in here too. Can put all sorts of stuff down in here. And, oh good, I was very worried about this yesterday. That was full of water yesterday and it looked like it was leaking through these logs left in the berm. Wicked smart there, guy. I would pull these out and they just look like they're gonna cause problems even though they're on the back of the berm. So, you know. Oh no, it's leaking. Jesus fucking Christ! What the fuck? Okay, so this is still leaking. What the hell? Someone is firing off a gun. Okay, I don't know where this is leaking from. Right here, it looks like. Very hard to concentrate right now, since some asshole is shooting off guns over there. It's coming from here. Why is it coming from here? Where is here? Oh jeez, I don't know where this is leaking. This is bad. It's just coming from the ground right here. I don't know where this is coming from on the other side. It could be coming from here. That's a problem right there. Maybe put some clay on that. But it's leaking out of the ground right here and going right along here and eroding the back of the berm instead of going over the overflow where we want it to. So we're going to have to fix this, because here's the overflow. Just itching to overflow. It's fun when you buy property in the middle of nowhere, so you can have some peace and quiet and privacy and come out in the morning to enjoy your happy space and have some yahoo shooting off a fucking gun. That's good fun. Jesus Christ. Cheese and rice. Okay, I'm getting out of here. I obviously need to come back here with some clay, but getting away from the freaks with the guns over there. The water might actually be leaking through two places. So let's go get a little bit of clay. I really don't like this. What the fuck is going on over there? My puppy's looking for me. Okay, I don't want her freaking out. Good puppy. So I still need to fix this. The other one's leaking again. And we're on our last bag of clay. Credit card debt, here we come. We're back at Pond 2 after breakfast. It's actually after lunchtime by now. And this is how much I've gotten done here. We are filling in the back so that more can fit on top without just slipping and falling down here. Compacting as we go. I'm not a very good compactor. I need one of my friends who weighs twice what I do, at least, up here. Walking along here instead, but doing what we can here. Doing the pond berm dance. As we can see, there's still water here, so that's concerning. But I don't see a steady trickle or anything. So this is dried up down here. So I think we have stopped the leak over here. And also show you guys this momentous effort that was undertaken a bit ago. I don't know if you'd call it ADHD or just getting bored easily. But I've been hopping around doing different things. Because if I just keep filling buckets with dirt, I'll go crazy. And yeah, I made this spillway deeper. Obviously it needs to be lined with some rocks. The water in it is coming from springs and not overflow, obviously. Got another foot maybe to go before it hits that, and that brings us to that berm over there. I'm going to have to keep a close eye on that tomorrow. It needs to go up another foot just to be safe. Made the pond a more interesting shape by taking dirt out of there, huh? But that needs to go up in order for this to overflow this way without issue, and I'm pretty sure it's still lower right here than it is over here, so if I can catch it overflowing, that would be nice. Let's take a look at our shit show over here on pond number 1. Learned from my mistake, or so the down song goes. But he was talking about heroin addiction and not building ponds. Haha, dark shit. So this is very, very close to overflowing, as you can see, and needs another 5 or 6 inches from this corner over to that tree to make me happy, and it's still fucking leaking from somewhere in here. Oh my god. Overflow is working fantastically, as we can see. Down through the woods. Should there be another water area right down here catching all of this gorgeous spring water? Of course there should, but I don't own a mini excavator, and as you can see, this is really thick forest of mostly conifers. And it's beautiful, and there was a critter back in here earlier. I didn't see what it was, but I think it came down from a tree, so I'm gonna go with porcupine or maybe bobcat. I couldn't see it. I mean, I could see a thing lumbering through the woods. I heard it and was looking and saw some little medium-sized creature. It didn't go off like a bat out of hell, but it sort of, you know, lumbered off. So probably a porcupine. Puppy and I saw one the other day at a park when we were hiking. Speaking of parks, did you know that the current regime is trying to destroy the U.S. Forest Service and the National Park System so they can sell it off to corporate extraction assholes, oil and gas people and mining interests and all of that. It's like first they stole it from the native people and now they want to steal it from the public. So they can sell it off to their asshole business friends, just like what George Carlin warned us about. So that's going on, and horrifying, and yeah.